Hi everyone, hi friend, welcome to my video. If you have been following my previous video, you know that I am doing a course on previous year's UPSC Physics Optional paper. So in this video I will discuss Civil Service Mains Examination 2021 Physics Paper 1. So let's start. So first question is here, wait and watch. So I am scoring. So first question is that a particle moving in a central force field, describe the path r is equal to k e alpha theta, where k and alpha are constant if the mass of a particle is m. Find law of force. And question number B is here, a capillary tube having 1.0 mm diameter, 20 centimeter in the length, is fitted horizontally to a vessels in a which alcohol is kept fully up to the neck. The density of alcohol is 8 into 10 power 2 kg meter cube. The depth of the center of the capillary tube below of the surface of alcohol is 14 centimeter. Find the amount of alcohol that will follow out the capillary tube is 10 minutes. Coefficient of viscosity of the alcohol is 0.00212 Newton second upon meter square. And question number 6 here, an observer detects two explosions on the that occur near him at a certain times and another that occur 2.0 meter second later 100 kilometer away. Another observer find that the two explosions occur at the same place. What time intervals separate the explosion to the second observer? And question number D is here, a thin film of a petrol of thickness is 9 into 10 power 6 centimeter is viewed at an angle 13 to the normal. Find the wavelength S is light in a visible spectrum which can be viewed in the reflected light. The refractive index of the film mu is equal to 1.35. So question number is here, a mass m is suspended by two springs having force constant k1 and k2. As so in a figure, the mass m is displaced vertically downward and then released if an instant t. The displacement of the masses m is x, and then so that the motion of the mass is simple harmonic motion having frequency x is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root 1 by m k1 by k2 and k1 plus k2. So this is previous year's questions, k1 and k2. You can see this data. And question number 2 is here, a body of the mass m at the rest split into the two masses m1 and m2 by an explosion. After the split body moves with the total kinetic energy t in opposite direction, so that their relative speed is 2t m1 upon m1 plus m2 under root. So question is here, a light rod of a length 100 centimeter is suspended from the ceiling horizontally by means of two vertical wires of the equal length. Try to it ends on the wires is made of steel and its cross section is 0.05 square centimeter, and the other is of brass of the cross section 0.1 square centimeter. Find the position along the rod at which a weight may be hung to produce first equal stress in the both of the wires, second equal strain in both of the wires. Young modulus of elasticity of a brass and steels are 1.0 into 10 power Newton meter square and 2.0 into 10 power 11 Newton meter square respectively. And question number C is here, So the phenomena of Fraunhofer diffraction are two vertical slits in a modulation of two terms with double slit interference and a single slit diffraction obtain the condition of position of the maximum and minimums. And question number 3 is here. In a step index optical fiber system, explain the term pulse dispersions and materials dispersion. An optical fiber having refractive indices of the core and cladding n is equal to 1.463 and 2 is equal to 1.44 respectively. Use a laser jet with lambda naught is equal to 1.50 micrometers with a spectral width of 2 nanometers. At this wavelength is the material dispersions coefficient. dm is equal to 18.2 Pascal km nm kilometer nanometers. Then the calculate pulse dispersions and material dispersion for a 1 kilometer length of the fibers. And question number B is here. What is chromatics abbreviation? Obtain the condition of chromaticism using the combination of two thin lenses placed in a contact to each other. Can this system work a chromatics doubles? If both are the same materials, justify your answers. In question number C, calculate the masses of and momentum of a proton of a rest mass 1.67 into 10 to the 27 kg moving with the velocity of 0.8 c, where c is the velocity of the light if it collide and sticks to a stationary nucleus of a mass 5.0 into 10 to the 26 kg. Find the velocity of the resultant particles. Second, calculate the mass of the particle whose kinetic energy is half of its total energy. Find the velocity with the particle is traveling. And question number 4 is here. Define the moment of inertia and radius of gyrations of the body of the mass m rotating about an axis. State and prove parallel axis theorem on the momentum of inertia. Question 2. An sphere of the mass 0.5 rolls on a smooth surface without slipping with a constant velocity of 3.2 meters second. Calculate each of the total kinetic energy. And question number B is here. You see this. The radius of the earth is 6.4 into 10 to the 6 meter. It means density is 5.5 into 10 to the 3 kg meter cube. And the universal gravitational constant is 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Calculate the gravitational potential on the surface of the earth. And question number C is here. What is the damped harmonic oscillator? Write the equation of the motions. Obtain the general solution for the oscillations. Discuss the case of deadbeat and critical damping and oscillatory motion based on the general solution. What would be the logarithmic discriminant of the damped vibrating systems if it has an initial amplitude 13 centimeter which reduce 3 centimeter after 20 complete oscillations? And question number section B, question number 5a. Give the electric potential of a system of charge is V is equal to 12 r square plus 1 by r cube volt. Calculate the electric field vector of a Cartesian point 4, 2, 3. And question number B. What is indistinguishables balls are to be arranged in a 6 distinguishables box? Calculate the total numbers of the way in which the above can be done. So we know that Fermi Dirac is the indistinguishable particles each other. There is no restriction between. So come to the points. Question number C is here. The rod length L is perpendicular to the uniform magnetic field B. The rod revolves at an angular speed omega about an axis passing through and one end of the rod and parallel to the magnetic field B. Find the voltage induced across the rod's ends. Question number D. Calculate the critical constant for CO2 for which the van der Waals constant are given by A 0.0072 and B 0.002. Also calculate the boiling temperature of the CO2. The unit of pressure is atmosphere and unit of volume is that of a gm mole of the gas of NTP. And question number is here. Consider the two branches parallel circuits. So in the diagram, determine the resonant frequency of the circuits. So so come to the question number next. Question number 6 is in an inertial reference frame as there is only one uniform electric field equal to 8 kV volt meter. Find the magnitude of vector E and B of the inertial reference frame S moving with the constant velocity V relative to the frame S at an angle alpha is equal to 14 to the vectors E. The velocity of the frame S is 0.6 velocity of light. And question number B is here. In the given circuit L, 2.0 mu H R is equal to 1.0 ohm, R naught is equal to 2.0 ohm, and E is equal to 3.0 volt. Find the amount of heat generated in the coils after the switch S is disconnected. The internal resistance of the source is negligible. So you see this. And question number C is here. Explain the characteristics of the flowing thermodynamics process for a perfect gas: isothermal process, adiabatic process, isobaric process, isochoric process. Obtain the expression for the work done by the gas during the above process. In question number 7a, a region 1 Z is less than 0 has a dielectric materials with ER is equal to 3.2, and a region 2 Z is greater than 0 has a dielectric material with ER is equal to 2.0. Let the displacement vector in the region 1 be T1 is equals to minus 3 AX plus 14 AY plus 17 AZ and CM per minus 2. Assume the interference charge density is 0. Find the region 2, the D2 and P2, where P2 is the electric polarization vector in the, so say Cm per minus 2 is a Coulomb meter square electric dipole moment unit. So question will be is here. Calculate the skin depth of electromagnetic wave 1 mH that incident on a good conductor having sigma is equal to 5.8 into 10 to the power minus 7 Sm per minus 1. Assume that the inside conductor micro mu naught is equal to 4 pi mu naught. So 4 pi into 10 to the power 7 hm. So this is alpha and beta. And question number C. The spectral compositions of a solar radiation is similar to that a black body registrator whose maximum emissions corresponds to the wavelength 0.48 micrometer. Find the masses lost by the sun every second due to the radiation. Evaluate the times interval during which the mass of the sun reduced by 1%. Given the Stephen Boltzmann constant 5.669 into 10 to the power minus 8 W meter square K per minus 4, radius of the sun 6.957 into 10 to the power 8 meter, surface temperature of the sun to 5772 K, and mass of the sun is 1.9885 into 10 to the power 13 kg. Then next question 8. The melting point of a tin SN is 232 degrees Celsius. Its latent heat of the fusion is 14 Cl grams caloric, and the specific heat of the solid and motion states are 0.055 and 0.7 kilograms degrees Celsius respectively. Calculate the change in entropy when 1.0 gm of tin is heated from 100 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius. Calculate the efficiency of an engine having compression ratio 13.8 and expression the ratio 6 and working of on diesel cycle given gamma is equal to 1.4. And question number B is here. Write the expression for a Fermi-Dirac distribution plot. Fermi-Dirac distribution at t is equal to 0 and for t1 is greater than t2 and t2 is greater than 0. Now for the plot purpose, two alternative definition for a Fermi levels. Question number 2. Calculate the probability of an electron occupying an energy levels 0.02 electron volts above the Fermi level at T is equal to 300 kelvins. And question number C is here. Given an infinite lines charge of density to n cm per minus 1 parallel to the y-axis and passing through the point 304 meter and the infinite sheet of charge of the charge density 4 n centimeter cm per minus 2 parallel to the xy plane and passing through the point 006 meter. Calculate the electric field intensity of point 10 meter is geometry free space. So that is all related to this discussion. It for today. Thank you very much.